Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? What's up? Oh my god, everybody, come over here. Come. Look, Danny posted a makeup tutorial. Whoa. No way. Huh? Yes, way. I know that I've been posting little random videos lately. I know. I love makeup, but that's not the only thing I want to show you. I also want to try out some weird carrots recipes. Cause, why not? You know, what can possibly go wrong? I'm afraid to say that sentence. What can possibly go wrong? It's like a curse when I'm filming a video. I say it, boom, something goes wrong. Perfect. Thank you, universe. Listen, I want to be coming over here excited about the video that I'm gonna film. If that means me posting more random videos, I'm okay with that. Because if I have fun filming my videos, you guys will have fun watching them. So it's a win-win kind of situation. Alright guys, let's just jump right into the makeup. Let's just dive into it. Let's just jump right into it. Yeah, it's time. Alright, so we're gonna start off with a good old foundation. My face is already drowning in skincare products. I layered so many stuff on my face today. It's one of those days, you guys. I opened my skincare drawer and I was like, oh, why do I have this urge to apply all of my skincare products on my face today? My brain was like, look at all of these creams. Apply all of them. Do it. Just do it. You sure about that? Yeah. What can possibly go wrong? Oh, I haven't used this in 2 years. I don't want to throw it away. Thank you. Next. Is this cream for the feet or for the face? Well, we're about to find out. Yeah, no primer needed today. So I'm gonna start off by applying my foundation. I love applying my foundation like this, just random lines all over my face, just because I love when I start blending it out. It's so oddly satisfying. Look at that. Alright, next up is concealer. I'm gonna use my favorite concealer. This is the Yayy Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. Oh my god, I love this concealer. It can cover everything, you guys. Everything. So full coverage. This is probably my fourth one. I don't know. I've been through so many of those. Yep, this little guy here is my best friend. I probably use a little bit too much of it, but... Now moving on to my brows. I'm gonna use some tinted brow gel to brush through the hairs and fill them in. And this, my friends, is why you should not underestimate tinted brow gels. Look, before, after. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3.5. I have a very extra eyebrow routine. I always had, I always will. Once you go extra with your... Once you go extra with your eyebrows, you can't go back. That's it. You're an extra eyebrow kind of person for life. I really like playing with my eyebrows. Doing my eyebrows probably takes me the most time when I'm getting ready. So I'm gonna take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. What did we do to deserve this? I don't know. So I'm gonna take some of it on my spoolie. And I'm just gonna start brushing my eyebrows hairs up. Remember how 2 seconds ago I was telling you that my eyebrow routine is very extra? Yeah, I'm now gonna take some eyebrow powder. So I'm gonna use some eyebrow powder? I'm gonna use some eyebrow powder. How do we call a proud eyebrow powder? Eyebrow powder. Duh. Anyways, I'm gonna take this eyebrow powder and I'm gonna fill in this inner part of my eyebrow, because my eyebrow hairs are betraying me in that area. They're betraying me by not existing there. And just cleaning them up with some concealer. And this, my friends, is how extra eyebrows look like. I know, they're nothing special, but they're special to me. Alright, now let's go ahead and move on to the eyeshadows. For today's look, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette here by ColourPop. I think that I'm gonna start off with the color called... So so many nice colors in there. Look at them. So many nice brown shades. I kind of want to use all of them. I guess I'm gonna mix this one and maybe a little bit of this one. So, oh my god, zoom in window. Oh, it's been so long since I last did a zoom in window. Zoom in window. Come over here. Actually, let's switch sides. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by placing those eyeshadows in my crease. First transition color, you guys know how that goes. We just need something in the crease as a guideline to tell you that this is where you stop. You can have fun on the eyelid, but don't bring everything all the way up to the eyebrow. You can do it if you want, but that's not what we want to do today. Now I'm gonna mix this one and this one. I really like adding the darker shades in the outer corner of my eyes. This is going right here, like this. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be there. And blending out. I'll try to apply some of this eyeshadow over here. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, I like what happens. It feels so weird to be sitting here just doing my makeup. It especially feels weird after the 100 layers makeup challenge that I did, after the closed eyes makeup challenge, after the my cake picks my makeup challenge. I like it though. It's kinda relaxing. Guys, wanna know what is my new obsession? Oh my god. Hear me out. Spicy popcorn. Ooh. Generally, I don't really like spicy food because it's always too spicy for me. But I found a brand that makes spicy popcorn that is just spicy enough. If I can find them online, I'm gonna post a photo of the popcorn right here next to me, but oh, it's so good. I can't stop eating it. I don't care if it's healthy or not. I love it. I love it. I just ate some. That's why I'm telling you that. This look is nice. It's so nice, but it's just not extra enough. Look at these guys over here. Ooh. So these are by Nabla. This is the brand's name. And they have different colors. These are just some glitters in a pan. And let me tell you, lately, chunky glitters are all I need in my life. Chunky glitters and spicy popcorn. That's who I am lately. This is glitter glue. I'm gonna take some of it on my pinky. I will prep my eyelids with it for the glitters. Why my pinky, you ask? Because my other fingers are covered in spicy popcorn. That's why. Hold on. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of this glitter over here. Ooh, I love it. I love it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. So nice. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Boom, baby. Yeah. Look at that. I'll add a little more of that, how was it called? Glitter glue. I'm gonna add some of it in the outer corner here, just a little more. And then on top of it, I thought, hey, why not add some of this glitter over here? Because how much glitter is too much glitter? An answer no one has the question to. Yeah, nice stuff. Nice stuff. And of course, I'm gonna finish it up with some eyeliner. Hey Siri, wake up. Tell me a fun fact about false lashes.
Here's what I found.
In 1899, women were having lashes implanted into their eyelids with needles. Whoa! Hey, I asked for a fun fact. That's still a fact, but it's not a fun one. Alright, I glue on a pair of falsies. I don't really remember what falsies these are. I kinda lost the packaging. I keep them in this thing over here. Some concealer under the eyes. Nice, nice concealer under the eyes. Nice. I like using this Yayy concealer, and then I also like adding a tiny little bit of this Hourglass concealer, just because this Hourglass concealer has a little bit of like a peachy undertone. It's a little bit more warm toned, and I like how that cancels that blue/purple color that I have under my eyes. Now I'm giving myself some cheekbones, making my face look snatched. Boom. I was born to be a sculptor. Now I'm gonna take some of this blush over here. Don't ask what happened to this palette. I don't know. I had my eyes closed. Time for some blush. Yeah. Just mix them up. You know what? Mix them all up. Make a nice little mixture of everything. I really love this blush here. It's so nice. I'm gonna take a little bit of this one as well. Just mixing these two. And now it's time to cover my whole face with that. Yeah. You guys don't understand. I used to avoid blush at all cost. I didn't like it. I didn't like blush. I didn't like blush.
I don't like blush.
How dare I say that? Bad mouth. Bad mouth. Take it back. Yeah, I used to avoid blush at all cost, but now, oh my god, give it to me and I'm gonna cover my whole face with it. I love it. Blush, blush, blush. I also like taking my brush and doing this, like that. And then whatever I have left of that blush on my brush, I like pressing it under my eyes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. More. See, with blush, it's okay if you use a little more. It's okay if you apply a little too much, because throughout the day, oh my god, throughout the day, your blush will be like, bye-bye, see ya. It doesn't want to stay. It doesn't want to stay. It just disappears throughout the day, especially with cream blushes. I put them on my face and they disappear faster than this piece of cheesecake that just popped in front of me. Look at it. Faster than that. I don't know, they just evaporate or something. Just gone. Okay, blush, I hope you enjoyed your stay on my cheeks for like 0.2 seconds. Hope you come back soon. I have this Morphe face and eye gloss. Now I'm gonna use that on my face. Duh. Just gonna take some of it on my fingers. See, usually you're supposed to make sure that your fingers are clean when you do that, but I'm just hoping that if I pretend hard enough that my fingers are clean, my skin won't notice and it won't break out. I'm pretending really hard right now. This is a nice highlighter, but I feel like it's just meant to be used on a face that doesn't have 35 kilos of makeup on. I have a lot of foundation and concealer. I have a lot of everything today. Yeah. Can't say I don't like it. You know what? Some powder highlighter on top of that liquid highlighter. Yeah. I'm sure that some of you right now are like, Danny, please stop putting stuff on your face. Just stop it. Stop it. Here's a good point to stop. No, it's too late. Listen, you're supposed to look at this look and say, it's too much. But in a good way. I want my skin to not look like skin at the end of this. I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm just kidding. Although I'm using a lot of products, I'm using thin layers. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, just some of that dark brown eyeshadow only in the outer third of my lower lashes. I'm gonna show you now my favorite lip combo. Spoiler alert. I can never say that. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert, it's very affordable. So first I'm gonna start off with this Morphe lip crayon in the shade TLC. The formula of this might be a little drying if you have dry lips, but it's very creamy, and what I love the most about this one is the color. I'm obsessed with this color. I've ordered 5 more of these. I'm stocking up on them. And I'm gonna take some of this bad boy over here. I can't remember what's the brand. I can't remember what's the name. It had a sticker with the name of the brand and everything, but I kind of ripped it off. I was just playing with it one day and suddenly... Whoops. Yeah, I'm gonna have it listed down in the description box. It is awesome. It smells so nice. It moisturizes my lips so well. It's the perfect lip balm / lip gloss. And one really good thing that I've noticed with this one is that, you know how sometimes you apply lip balm and then suddenly out of nowhere you get that white line in the inner part of your lip. It's like a white film or something, just very gross. Yeah, you don't get it with this one. So from 1 to 10, how glam is this look? 35, but I love it. I haven't done a brown smoky eye in so long. Very nice. I wish I had some more to go, but I don't. I think I'm getting a rash or something. I wonder why. Is this Cream for the feet or for the face? Well, we're about to find out. Nah, must be something else. Nah, I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm kidding. I didn't apply feet cream on my face. Although, you never know, it might be good. We might be missing on something awesome. Yeah, please don't apply feet cream on your face. You never know. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Gently press that like button. I have a second channel, you can go and check it out. And you can find me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you guys so much for watching. And hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.